So I hope you've had a chance to visit my Whitehaven Beach video, and I mean, just stunning. I hope you've had a chance to check that out. But you know, I spent 2 days here in this amazing town, Townsville. What an amazing esplanade have here. Totally different vibe here, much more relaxed. The people here are so friendly. I mean, just the nicest people in the world. The boardwalk or the esplanade is just so extremely nice. It's just relaxed and it's got a good vibe. The beach is beautiful, but you can't swim in it. 2 reasons. One, the stingers are like really almost deadly. And there's crocodile sightings. I actually talked to some local people, and they don't swim here. In fact, they laughed when they said, sometimes they open the beaches, but only you tourists are stupid enough to swim here. And anyway, that's what the guy told me. But because of crocodile sightings, the locals, they don't swim here, but they do fish here. And they're really friendly. And I love this town of Townsville. In fact, I can see myself coming back here and just, you know, enjoying this cool vibe here because it's really peaceful here. Totally different feeling here than I had over at Airlie Beach. Checking out Whitehaven Beach. So yeah, I like Queensland very much. I really like this area very, very much. The air is good. The trees. I've never seen trees like I've seen here. Never. And it's just so clean and tidy, and these incredibly unbelievable rainforest trees all over Queensland. So this has left a really good impression on me, and I think I'm going to come back here for sure. So hang out with me for a few minutes, and I'm going to take you for a little stroll down the beautiful esplanade that is known here as the Strand, down through this gorgeous little town of Townsville, right here in Queensland, Australia. I really had a great day. So hang out with me for a little while and I'll show you around. It's the trees. It's just amazing, the trees. Look at these trees, huh? Wow. So many people who come to Townsville are busy off exploring Magnetic Island, or they're doing a rainforest tour, and they're busy, go, go, go. And you know, that's all good. But some days you just want a day to relax and just chill and do nothing other than stroll the waterfront and just find a cafe or just relax with the kids in these water fountains right here, which are free, by the way, and they're option to the ocean, which you can't swim in, and it's amazing here. And so if you're looking for that chill day, then this video is perfect. If you're looking for super excitement and whatnot, you know, maybe move on to another video, because today is all about chilling and relaxing. So hang out with me for a while and I'll take you further on down the beach, and I'll actually show you some more of these amazing trees, which for me, one of the biggest highlights in all of Queensland was the discovery of these rainforest trees. So if you're in Townsville, even if you do nothing at all, just find a way down to this little strand, this esplanade, and kill some time down here, and you'll thank me in the comments for that, I guarantee you. It's just such a chill vibe down here. And I've been here 2 days, and I don't know, maybe it's just I needed the time to recharge and relax, but in Townsville, I just feel relaxed. I don't know why, but I've enjoyed hanging out here. My other days in Cairns and Airlie Beach and Whitehaven Beach, you know, I had exciting activities and I went out and did all kinds of things. There's just something about Townsville, friendly people, really, really, really cool esplanade. this is a good place just to recharge and relax. So I've enjoyed it. So yeah, check it out. So if you do nothing, at least do this. And if you don't want to walk, you can rent these little scooters, and they've got these other ways and bikes, and it's just a cool vibe. Yeah, I've enjoyed it. So again, everybody I met along this little journey were friendly to me, really, really nice. Lots of happy waving, a lot of birds chirping, as you can hear, and a really pleasant day. And you can always get off the Strand over on Gregory Street and go find a cafe and a bite to eat. So this is a great, relaxing day. These trees are so amazing, you can actually climb right inside them. Just so incredible. So I do hope you check out my Sydney video. Also, I did another video here in Australia in Cairns, just nearby Townsville actually. Check out that Cairns adventure. That was really, really cool. And also check out my Whitehaven Beach video in the Whitsundays. Really an exciting adventure. So thanks for hanging out with me. And I also hope you give this video a like and hang out with me on another adventure. I would really appreciate that. So thanks so much.